What's up, guys, from YouTube? New unboxing, second unboxing of my channel. Yes, sir. Second one up. Straight to the chase. Straight to the chase. Just like those videos on YouTube. Yes. Yo, this is the company. This is the company. I can't show this side of the package because there's nothing here. I can't show this side of the package because my address is here. But it arrived so soon. The deadline was January 17th. Which day is today? January 6th? Damn, dude. More than 10 days earlier than the final deadline. Great. And here it is, hub. And I don't have my scissors here. Damn. I don't have my scissors here. Hopefully this will solve the problem and I'll be able to use the joystick again. And then I will destroy the final Elden Ring boss. So, huge shout out to OracleSin for this unboxing here today. This unboxing here is just happening because my boy OracleSin donated this to me, and that's why we're having this on YouTube. On YouTube too. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. Hopefully this song will not be the turning point between keeping the video up or not, because the last video I tried to upload didn't stay up. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open with the comb. Damn. This is how we do it here. Damn. So I was waiting for this special moment here. Yes, sir. Subarashi desu. Kono nioi. Kono nioi desu. Yoshi. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. No. I don't want to damage the box. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Here we go. Here it goes. Damn. It smells good. Not gonna lie. How do I open this? Alright, like that. Simple, easy way to open the hub. Holy shit! It's here. Oh my god, I'm gonna leave the box here. This is what we want. I'm gonna open it now. Come on, look at that. 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 Oh, what the fuck? Oh. We unwrap. Here it goes. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Here it is, sir. What happened with the song? Yes. I don't know about the dongle. The deadline for the dongle is the same. I haven't received anything. Any replies back from the shipping company? It is. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. But wow. Oh, Smells good. It's brand new. Essentials. Oh, I can't get enough of it. The scent. It feels like a brand new car. Oh, just like that. The protection silicone. We just remove, and it's ready to use. Plug and play. Boom, boom. You see this? Boom, 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 boom. Enough. All right. We got the hub here. The first thing. That's the length. Yes, sir. Okay, we have an entrance here. Micro USB this. Yeah. Just in case. What if I'm using multiple peripherals, multiple devices here, and then, damn, this. Oh my gosh, so tight. Have you ever seen a fist this big, bruh? Don't make me wanna use it. You don't wanna see me using this. Once upon a time, a guy said I looked like a Filipinian boxer, Volcom or something. So I'm gonna throw some punches. Don't test me. Don't try me. Don't try me. Don't try me, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Let me carefully remove the gloves, because the unboxing is now over. Yeah. Fast unboxing. Yeah. And when the dongle arrives, I'm gonna keep you guys posted.